Hey guys, welcome. So today let me explain you the concepts of Uchini and Aidani and their differences. So both of these grammar points are most frequently used concepts, and you would be able to find them in the JLPT entry level syllabus, and there is definitely at least a question where you can find these options in your MCQs. So let's understand the difference between them. So let's begin with the concept of Uchini. So Uchini usually means while or before. That is, while A is the case, do X. That means something will be taking place or it will be done before some continuing situation or event ends. Or in other words, we have to do something while the situation A is still in place or till the current situation changes. Now let us have a look at the examples. The example number 1 is Wakai uchini taksan benkyo shite hoga e. That is, while you are young, it is better to do lot of studies and research. For the example number 2, we have a different concept, that is Amega furanai uchini kairo. That is, let's go home before it rains. That is, before the situation B happens, let us go home. So that is the concept of Uchini. Next, let's move to the concept of Aidani. So Aidani, usually it directly translates to during or between in English. That means we have 2 points A and B, and Aidani occurs in between A and B. That is, it will indicate an interval of time which is delimited by a beginning and an end point. In other words, it means that something happened at a particular point of time. Now let's have a look at the example. 1. Dekakete iru aidani shenseiga denwa ga arimashita. That means I am out of home. So I am continuously out of home. While I was out of home at a single point of that time, I got a call from sensei. So that point of time is Aidani. Now Aidani also have a second concept, that is, when we speak of the relationship between people, we use this term Aidani. So Aida, we usually mean it's between, right? So obviously relationship between people. That is, watashi tachi oyako no aida ni himitsu wa nai. That is, we, parent and child, we do not have any secrets between us. So that is the difference, that is what Aidani means. Now in the next slide, let us look at the difference between Uchini and Aidani in a single slide. So here in this slide, you would be able to understand what Uchini and Aidani means. For example, if you have a look at both the diagrams on the right side, we have 2 points A and B, and number 1, Uchini, is the situation which is shaded. That is, till B happens or the situation changes, A goes on or do A. That is the explanation for Uchini. Similarly, for Aidani, we have 2 point of time A and B on the right hand side, and at a single point of time the action takes place, that is Aidani. So this concepts, this will be frequently tested in the JLPT entry level syllabus and in the question papers. So I think it is better to understand the concepts clearly. That's all for Uchini and Aidani. Please share your feedback in the comment section, or in case you have any queries or you would like to understand a new concept, please mention that. I'd be happy to share it. And please subscribe to this channel and please share this video. Thank you and have a good day.